Good morning, dear student. According to the routine, we have Mind Sparks today. Okay. So, with exams around the corner, we thought of doing some of the topics from the textbook as well. Okay. So, before I'll be uploading the video for the topics covered today, and at sharp 10 o'clock there will be a worksheet for MindSpark. So I request every one of you to go to the video, and if you have not completed watching the video by 10 o'clock, you can stop the video and you can start the MindSpark worksheet, because the worksheet has got a time limit. Alright, and after submitting the worksheet, you can come back to the video and watch it. Alright. And for today's topic, we are going to do ascending order, descending order, and forming numbers. So let us find out how to do ascending, descending using the place value, and how to form numbers. Okay, so let us start the class. So children, the main objective for today's class is ascending and descending order. Okay, so the spelling of ascending is ASCENDING. And descending spelling is DESCENDING. Ascending and descending order. So let us find out what is ascending and descending order. Numbers arranged from smallest to the greatest are said to be in ascending order. So if you arrange number from smaller to bigger, it is known as ascending order. Okay, so I have taken some example here. I have taken 1 digit and 2 digit number. Okay, but when you have to arrange, you have to do bigger number involving 4 digit, 5 digit number. This is just a simple example. Okay, so let us see here 1, 3, 7, 11, 12. So each number is bigger than the last number. 3 is bigger than 1, 7 is bigger than 3, 11 is bigger than 7, and 12 is bigger than 11. So that is, we have arranged the number from smallest to the biggest. That means it is increasing. Okay, so it is increasing. That increasing order is known as ascending order. The next is descending order. Numbers arranged from the greatest to the smallest are said to be in descending order. So if you arrange number from greatest to the smallest are known as descending order. The same example I have taken here: 12, 11, 7, 3, 1. So it is decreasing in a way. So 11 is smaller than 12, 7 is smaller than 11, 3 is smaller than 7, 1 is smaller than 3. So the arrangement of number from bigger to smaller, that is in decreasing order, are known as descending order. Alright, so this is what we mean by ascending and descending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger, descending means bigger to smaller. To understand more clearly about ascending order, I have taken one example here. We have to arrange the number in ascending order, that is from smaller to bigger. So there are all 5 digit number. That is why I have taken the help of a place value chart, and I have put the digit accordingly in their position. Alright, so we have to compare them in ascending order, and to arrange in ascending order we have to compare them. Alright, so let us look in the 10,000s place. When we compare digit in a place value chart, we always start from the left column. The first column is 10,000. In the 10,000 column, all the numbers are of 5 digit. Since it is a 5 number, that means all the numbers are same. Since it is same, let us go to the next one, that is thousands. In the thousands place, we have 1, 8, 8, 8. That means 8 is bigger, so 1 is smaller. So the smallest number here is 5, 1, 0, 5, 8. Alright. So now this part is over. Let us look to the next one. So the remaining in the thousands place, we have 8, 8 and 8. Okay, so we cannot compare them. So we have to go to the next row, that is hundreds. In the hundreds place, we have 1, 1 and 0. So obviously 0 is smaller, so this number will come 58041. This is the second smallest number, 58041. Now the next number is this, and these are over. Only I have these 2 rows. So 581, 581, same number. 00, same number. In the last ones place, we have 4 and 5. So which is the smallest here? Obviously the number 4 is smaller than 5. That means the third number will be 58104. Now this row has got no number to compare, so we will put it in the last, 58105. Okay, so this is how we arrange ascending order, so from smaller to bigger. Okay, and one more thing, you can put the sign in this way if you want. Alright, you can put the sign or you can give comma also, whichever you think is you want to do. Either you can put the comma or you can put the smaller sign. This is how we arrange ascending order. The next is I have taken an example of descending order, similarly as ascending order, and I have taken here 5-digit 4 numbers and I have put them in the place value chart. Now let us compare the numbers. So when we are comparing the numbers in descending order, we look from bigger to smaller. So which is the biggest number here? The biggest number here is 9. So the biggest number will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, comma. Now after this is finished, we can go to the next one. What is the next number bigger here? 8. So the next will come 8, 7, 6, 5, 9, comma. After that, the number starting with 7. So 7, 6, 5, 9, 8, and the last digit has nothing to compare with. So we will just write the number here, 6, 5, 9, 8, 7. So we have arranged the number in decreasing order from bigger to smaller. Here in this particular number, we can compare all the digits in the 10,000s place. But sometimes the digits will be similar in 10,000, 1,000. Then we have to compare in the next column. Alright. So this is how we arrange number in descending order. And here you can put the bigger sign pointing in this way. Or you can put the comma also. Alright. Now the next topic for today is forming numbers. So we have to form the numbers. Alright. So the main objective is about forming numbers. So how we are going to form numbers? Forming numbers has got two types, largest number and smallest number. We can form the numbers in largest or in smallest way. How we will arrange them? Write the digits in descending order. To form the largest number, we have to write the digits in descending order. And to form the smallest number, we have to write the digits in ascending order. Alright. Descending means bigger to smaller. Ascending means smaller to bigger. So to understand more clearly, I have taken one example here. Form the smallest and largest number using each of the digits 6, 5, 4, 2, 9. So all they are separated by commas. Okay, so we have to form the smaller number and the largest number. Only this, and we cannot repeat the numbers. Each digit will be used only once. Alright, so the first smallest number, we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending means bigger to smaller. So what number will come first? 2, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 9. So when we are forming the numbers, you don't have to give a comma. It is a together. Alright, all the digits are together. Next is to form the largest number, we have to write in descending order. So to write in descending order, so the biggest number will 9, 6, 5, 4 and 2. So this is largest number. We arrange the number in this way, but remember children, don't give commas here while forming the number. Next, I have taken one more example how to form the smallest and largest number. Alright, so for example, I have taken the number 0, 3, 2, 1, 9. So we will form the largest number here. To form the largest number, we will arrange in descending order. So the bigger number is 9, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Alright, so this is the largest number. To form the smallest number, as the rule is, we have to start with the smallest number. So what is the smallest number here? Okay, so it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 9. So this is the rule we are supposed to follow. But is it correct? It is not correct, because we cannot start a number from 0. Okay, a number starting from 0 has no value. So what we are going to do here, we are going to take, instead of 0, we are going to take the next smallest number, that is after 0, which is the smallest number. After 0, the smallest number is 1. So 1 will come here. After that we will put 0 here. Then we will follow in ascending order, that is 2, 3 and 9. So this is the correct way if the number 0 is given. Okay, so this is how we arrange in and form largest and smallest number when the digits are given. So this is not correct. Don't follow this. 0 we cannot start. Alright. And the new words we learned today are ascending order, descending order, smallest number and largest number. Alright. So these are the new words and the objective as well that we have learned today.